welcome to today's video, which is going to be a unbagging of some Hobbii. This is some special Hobbii because I actually won a $20 coupon from the Tuesday live shopping to use on their online store. If you do not know what Tuesday live shopping is, let me tell you. That is where every Tuesday Hobbii goes live on Facebook and in Instagram. I will say, if you want to participate, it's a lot easier to do the Facebook side. I've tried both, and for whatever reason, Instagram always seems to have issues. And it's not just with me, but I've seen where many other people have experienced the same thing. It may be beneficial just to hop on the Facebook side. How the Tuesday live shopping works is they will actually do kind of like they do when you do Hobbii bingo on Mondays. One of them will get up there, they'll show off the yarns that they've selected for that week for the discount, and then little codes will go across the screen that you can type in the chat, and they will send you a message with links, or you can actually type those codes and in the coupon code section apply that code and it will take off the discounted prices. Some important things to note. When they give an extra bonus discount, it's only for the stuff that's in that live showing. It doesn't apply to everything. During their live shopping event, they do give out prizes. Now on the bingo, which is on Monday, and I'll link a video about that down below, they actually give out yarn as prizes, and there's I think total of 6 chances to win. However, on the Tuesday live shopping, they don't actually send out yarn. They just send out coupon codes. And they give away anywhere from 1 to 5. It kind of really depends on what's going on during that time frame. If there's a holiday, I think around Mother's Day, they give away 5 coupon codes. And then typically they give away 2 or 3. But I actually won one of those coupon codes. And I won $20 coupon, which is pretty amazing. However, there are some stipulations, as always. You cannot stack those discounts, and those items that are being sold during that live shopping have a coupon code already attached to them. So what I did was I ordered stuff that was not even on the live shopping, but it's things that I've been wanting to get to make a couple of things. And naturally, one of those was a twister yarn that had finally come back in stock, and I was super excited to get it. But the first thing I love to do whenever I get my Hobbii package is kind of like a treasure hunt and stick my hand in there and see if my hard candy actually made it to my doorstep. Because the reality is, most of the time my packages do get opened up in customs just a little bit, and sometimes my candy is not there, sometimes it is. It's just a toss in the air. And my Hobbii candy is here. So I did get 2 yarn types, and one of them I actually got multiples of because I'm actually wanting to make a wearable. I really want to make some ponchos. I think that's more suitable for me and my climate than actual sweaters, although down the line I may make some sweaters. I'm not saying I'm not going to be a sweater knitter or crocheter. I'm just saying I'm more of a poncho shawl kind of gal. So the first one I got is this, and the reason I picked out these was because I was kind of curious. There is Hobbii Twister, and then there is Hobbii Friends Will. They are both exactly the same base, but the Friends collection is a collection of yarns that all the colors are the same throughout all the bases if they're part of the Friends collection. So if you go in the Friends collection and you want to buy some open sea, then no matter if you get it on the mohair base or the cotton base, then those Friends are going to be cohesive and match. They will have a little bit slight difference in hue because of the way the yarn absorbs the color, but they're going to be pretty much the exact same color. And I was really curious, if it was exactly the same yarn as Twister or if it was a totally different yarn, because it has the exact same makeup. And I can tell you they're identical. And that's really important to note because at the time of buying this, the Friends Will, which is exact same yardage as the Hobbii Twister Solid, was cheaper. So I was able to get this cheaper than if I'd have got the Hobbii Twister Solid to make my poncho. And I got 3 of these. And again, this is Hobbii Friends Will. This is a number 2 weight. It is 55% cotton and 45% acrylic. And it's this really gorgeous color. These do have the easy start tabs in the middle, but I am not a pull from the center kind of girl anyways. I always pull from the exterior. And I plan on knitting up a poncho of these, or maybe I'm crocheting one. I don't remember. I have the pattern saved. I'll just stick it right here. But each one of these have a total of 437 yards and 100 grams. They're super gorgeous. So the other yarn I got was indeed a actual twister. I have a slight collection of twister growing, and I do have some patterns picked out that I will be using with these. And I showed these off during a live that I had this past week, and I'll link that down below as well. And these videos will be up in the cards towards the end of this video. But this is what I ordered, and wow. So this is Hobbii Twister. It is 55% cotton, 45% acrylic, just like the Friends. But this is 1,093 yards and 250 grams. But I just think this is stunning. So if you enjoyed this unbagging video and you would like to see more of my unbagging videos, just click here.